Hello, I'm back with another video. Another change of bedding there. I've just put some sawdust in. And there's my hens there on the top. And some fresh seed. Fresh water. New bedding. Cleaned out. Also there's my cockbirds on the bottom. The feeding area. I thought about not putting a bit of sawdust in there. Just put a bit of paper on the bottom. That's like a little feeding station, if you understand. And obviously the flight here is all got your sawdust in. There's your cockbirds there. Looks like it's enjoying the sawdust. But all my subscribers, can you just give us a little comment, leave us your feedback on either the sawdust or the shredded paper. On the top of here I've got my yellow hens. My yellow hens there, and what I've done is I've put the cockbirds all into a big flight just with the shredded paper. So all my cockbirds, my dimorphics in there. But yeah, they've had a clean out there today. There's my hens in there for next year. Got some stunning hens in there, yellows, all unrelated as you can see. Stunning hens for next year in there. But yeah, I just want to hear your feedback on the new bedding. But yeah, that's the red dimorphics in there. That's obviously your cockbirds. They're nearly coming through the molten ones. Yeah, some stunning birds in there for next year. So like I say, I would just like some feedback. Who subscribe to the channel, just leave us a little comment to see if you like the actual sawdust or the actual shredded paper. So yeah, they've had a clean out this morning with Cage and Avian spray. Bit of Dettol, bit of bleach, bit of fairy up liquid, your own little mix there to wash them out. And also here's your cockbirds in there. As you can see, we've got a nice little hole there for a little flight outside. But I'll show you that on another day as it's raining outside. They get through a little hole there and outside to a square flight. As you can see there, that one's just went out the door. But there's some potential for next year there for cockbirds. Yeah, they just finished the molt-term ones there. So I'll put all my cockbirds into here, into that big flight, and I'll put my hens into here. As you can see now, we're coming into the red ones. You've got your red hens in the top there. 7 red hens there, beautiful birds. Potential for next year. But then you've got your cockbirds. Sorry there, I put my finger on the lens. You've got your potential cockbirds for next year. You get red ones. And also on the bottom there, I always like to keep spare birds just in case any fatalities or any come down with any diseases or. But yeah, just leave us a comment on your the people who subscribed. Just leave us a comment, and it just gives the feedback of the bin. But yeah, thanks again. I'll keep you posted on my canaries. The next video will probably be about tearing up your birds, but I don't do mine until the end of December. That gives about a month and a half to 2 months to start breeding, to pair up, put the divider in, let them pair up and undo the divider, but I'll explain that nearer the time. And obviously the beginning in April I like to put them down if I can, if they're ready. The birds will tell you if they're ready. So maybe it's April, beginning in April I'll start. End of March to a push. But yeah, thank you. Give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Give us a like. Thanks.